Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and we are coming back at you with a little look at a bit of a sneaker. Now, I wanted to let you into a little secret. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down there. It really does help us with these things. And if you want to know what we do on this channel, we tend to do these sneaker unboxings, but it's not just hype. We got to look at another Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid. SJ, let's go to this camera. Let's go. So what have we got, everyone? Whoa, we've got to jump over here. We have got a Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid. These are a UK 10. That makes them a US 11. That makes them also a US Women's 12.5. And the color is navy white black. And they are, the code is 864349401. Back to the middle, SJ. So, purple box, and we wanted to I wanted to have a look at these because I've seen these on Instagram, and these are just your standard blazer, but put the box down there. Now, because I don't own these, I can't just throw the box in the corner. So a huge shout out to Greg at Decade for lending us these. And so if you're into blazers, he does have up to a size 10 of these at the moment. But let's have a look, because I love this blue navy colorway. So SJ, have a look. So first of all, we're going to do a spin round, because these are, they're a blazer, but these are really good. So first of all, what have we got? Let's go to this camera. These are like your standard blazer. They're not the Edge or anything like that. But what they've done with the SB Blazer Mid, not Pro or anything or GT. So first of all, have a look at the tongue. You see it's unfinished. But unlike the 77 blazers, what you do get with these is you do get your standard padding around the heel, and that is so important. We flick these around, we can see, you've got leather there at the back, I think. Yep, definitely leather. Stitched Nike logo, stitched correctly, I will say. Obviously the leather there on the swoosh, but the thing that I wanted to really look at these was the blue, because it's hard, it's probably not going to come across on the camera, but this navy is amazing, is really nice. This is a great shoe that you could beat the living daylights out of and not worry, but know that they look good on foot as well, and that they're super tough. Like the suede, if we bring that in close, SJ, we bring it in real close, you can see like this is that tough SB suede. And then we flick round, you've got the classic blazer. Now, they don't come with alternate laces. SJ, back to the middle, back to me. They do have, so just in case you wanted to know what color was the inner sole, can you see that? No, let's go over to this camera. SJ, there we go. You've got like a red inner sole there. We're going to go really close. In fact, why don't we do that? Because, aha, that's the money shot as we spin round. Now, isn't it a good shoe? It's a classic blazer, people. You can't go wrong with this. You really can't. You could throw these on with any kind of fit and they look awesome. You could wear them with shorts, you can wear them with baggies, you could wear them with skinny, you could wear these with cargos. They'd go so well. So well. And so that's why I wanted to have a look at them. Go and get them. They're in all your local skate shops, I would assume. Come back to here, SJ. And so yeah, these, we don't just do hype. We can't have everything, but I wanted to have a little look, and thanks again to Decade, so Greg at Decade, for letting us have a little look at these. Because, I think if you're into shoes, you should think about standard shoes as well, not just the hype. This definitely helps with your collection, and you don't always want to wear some kind of like out there shoe. Sometimes you just want to wear something clean and simple, and this is the sort of shoe to do that. And as always with these blazer mids on the SB side of things at Nike, I said this earlier, the padding it's what makes these shoes. You feel supported in them. I can't stress that enough. And like I'm continually petrified about my ankles. They look rubbish, obviously, but I've sprained them a few times. Once. Feels like a few times. It feels like I'm about to roll them, but when I did roll it, I rolled like I real rolled it. In Dunks, by the way, badly worn. Never rolled them in a blazer. Never. Is that a thing? Is that a thing, people? I don't believe this. I can't believe it. A Dunk and a blazer, and it's the Dunk that didn't serve me well. But anyway, people, don't forget, go into pintofstuff.com/giveaway, and you'll be able to enter. If you are watching this in February 2021, you'll be able to go and enter our giveaway, where we're giving away a Stuff the Dunk sweatshirt to anyone, anywhere in the world. And there's many ways to enter, so just go and look at that. And don't forget, people, come and join us on Sundays for Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That's every Sunday at 8 p.m. UK time. You know what time it is on the West Coast, don't you? It's 12 p.m. and on the East Coast it's 3 p.m. Of course, if it's 12 p.m. on the West Coast, it's always going to be 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Boom. But do you know what time it is in Tokyo? It's 5 a.m. And I know some of you come and watch us from Tokyo, which is nuts. But people, over there will be another video. If you could go and watch one of those, that helps other people like you find us, brings us all together into one big happy family. So go and watch one of those videos. Cheers then, folks.